Hi guys! Welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. Today, I'm going to share another recipe perfect for the festive season, the Linzer cookies. Linzer cookies are traditional Christmas cookies in Austria. These cookies are beautiful but are very easy to make. Let's get baking! We will need 2.5 cups of plain flour, 1 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1 cup of almond flour, half cup of strawberry jam or jam of your choice, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 large egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half teaspoon of cinnamon, and half teaspoon of salt. For the full list of ingredients, check out the description below. In a medium bowl, combine the plain flour, almond flour, salt, and cinnamon. And set this aside. In another bowl, add the butter, using a hand mixer, cream it until it becomes light and fluffy. Then, add the powdered sugar. Using a spatula, fold it together. Then, beat it using a hand mixer to cream them together. Add the egg yolks, lemon juice, and vanilla extract. Continue beating. Now, add the flour mixture, and using a Danish whisk, mix them together until they all gather and form a dough. You can also use a stand mixer in mixing the dough, or a spatula or a wooden spoon. Or you can also use hand mixer. Then, cut the dough into two and wrap each dough with a cling film and flatten it. Chill them in the fridge for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, transfer one of the dough onto the work surface. Flatten it using a rolling pin. By the way, to prevent the dough from sticking into the rolling pin, sprinkle some flour onto the rolling pin. Flatten the dough about 1/4 inches thin. Once it's thin, cut it using a cookie cutter. Transfer the cutouts into a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Bake these in a preheated oven of 175 degrees Celsius for about 9 to 10 minutes or until the sides are lightly brown. After baking, let it sit in the baking tray for at least 5 minutes before transferring them into the wire rack to completely cool. Now, transfer the other dough and roll it again. Use the cookie cutter to cut. Now, cut a star in the middle of the dough. By the way, you can use other shapes that you prefer. After cutting, bake this as well in the oven for about 9 to 10 minutes, just like the other one. Once the cookies have completely cooled, dust the cookies with star in the center with powdered sugar. This is, by the way, optional. Now, turn over the other cookies. Put a dollop of strawberry jam in the middle of each cookie. By the way, you can also use other jams in this one. Let me know what's your favorite jam in the comments below. Now, sandwich the two cookies together. And here's our finished product! These cookies are crunchy and flavorful. I hope you're going to try this recipe. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!